Digital meetings, digital phones, digital watches. The modern world is a digital one, and it's time your signage caught up. Interactive Digital Signage can provide a one-stop source of all the building information you wish to convey, while allowing that information to be easily and quickly updated. Real estate, including wall and floor space in your facility, is a valuable commodity. Interactive digital signage allows you to display much more information than can be accommodated on a physical sign or printed display. The visual impact of digital signage makes the user interface more engaging and eye-catching, meaning your viewers will retain and recall more. Now that you have decided that digital signage is for you, our simple step-by-step process will take you from concept to the final installation with our team of experts guiding you along the way. Although it is tempting to jump right to what your signage will look like, you really need to focus on the software content first. The two key questions you need to address are: who is your audience? And what information do you want to convey? This is the time to consider the various possible user groups you could be addressing, including visitors, tenants or residents, and building staff, and any special needs they may have, including different languages or disabilities. Many buildings focus only on visitors, but building occupants and even facility staff can benefit from information on sustainability initiatives, health and safety reminders, or building events. Once you have addressed these factors, our design and development team will work with you to create the solution that works for your situation and needs. They'll ensure you get exactly the features you want and work to include software modifications to fit your needs. Like our signage, we work interactively with you to ensure your input is considered and included in the finished product. With the software designed and built, now is the time to consider the hardware for your signage, the directory format, floor, wall, or desk-mounted, number of displays, screen size, and accessibility features. To do this effectively, think about what space your signage will occupy. Traffic patterns are key. You don't want to disrupt the natural traffic flow of people in your building, but you do want your signage to be noticeable. With the enclosure, hardware, and software determined, we will fabricate, assemble, deliver, and install your solution. An important decision is who will be responsible for managing the digital content going forward via our easy-to-use content management system. If you're more hands-on, then we provide training of how you can update your own content in real time, or if you prefer, we can manage it for you. You can also access usage data and statistics to see how and how often your interactive digital signage is being used. Then adjust your communication accordingly. Finally, our 3 tiers of support let you choose how much support you need and what fits your budget. Regardless of your choice, you will always receive prompt, friendly service from our support team, not a distant call center. It's just that easy to set up and install your digital signage and evolve your messaging to match your facility and its needs over time. Whether for interactive digital signage or any other solutions You Are Here offers, we look forward to bringing your facility into the digital world of tomorrow.